In the East kitchen, I had to try my hand at the viral Caesar pasta salad, but I'm adding shrimp to mine. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe. All of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description for you to follow. So starting off, I'm going to go ahead and put my bacon in the air fryer. Listen, air fry for 12 minutes at 400 degrees to have some crispy bacon. Okay, now while this in the air fryer, I'm going to prepare my shrimp. I'm going to add some avocado oil. Just like that, we're going to make sure we evenly coat the shrimp. Then I'm going to hit it with some good old black pepper. We want to make sure we season the shrimp up pretty nicely, and then a tad bit of salt. And remember, I will have all of the ingredients in the description box for you to follow. Now, I'm going to go ahead and mix that up to make sure all the seasoning is combined on the shrimp, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to set that aside. Now, you will need some romaine lettuce for this recipe. And listen, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more recipes from East. Now, grab me some fresh romaine lettuce. Now, we'll go ahead and chop that up into my desired pieces. Now, remember, the greener the lettuce, the more nutrients it has. Now, I did mix a couple like pieces in there, but it's cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. Now I'm going to grab a purple onion. You know, we call it a red onion. I'm going to slice it up just like that. Now, if you don't like onions, you can skip out on this, or you can actually cut the slices into smaller pieces. It's totally up to you. Now, for the pasta, I have some tricolor pasta. We want some color in this shrimp Caesar pasta salad. I'm going to boil that in chicken stock until it's al dente, okay? Now, let's go ahead and check on our bacon. Look at that. We have some nice crispy bacon, just like that, right out of the air fryer. It takes away all of the extra mess and grease popping everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to transfer that to a plate. And now, in that same air fryer basket, I'm going to add my shrimp in there. You're only going to need 5 minutes for the shrimp, okay? And it should look just like that. 5 minutes on the same temperature at 400 degrees. Now, once the pasta is al dente, you want to transfer that into a bowl. Now, you see I almost dropped that pot. Now, I'm transferring the al dente pasta to just a regular bowl. We're going to go ahead and add our dressing to this, okay? Add the dressing while it's still hot. Now, I'm using Trader Joe's goodness dressing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You can simply use Caesar. I'm just, adding my twist to it. The goodness dressing from Trader Joe's is a must-have. I'm going to stir to combine while the pasta is still hot. That's very important. Then you transfer that to a fridge to let it cool off. I'm telling you, it elevates the flavor. Now, once it cools off for about 30 minutes in the fridge, that's all you're going to need. Now, we're going to assemble our shrimp Caesar pasta salad. Now, I have some cherry tomatoes here. This is optional. Then we're going to take our onion slices, add that right in with the pasta and the cherry tomatoes, a little bit more. Now, and if you please, go ahead and add some more dressing. Remember, this recipe is yours. I'm only here to guide you, walk you step by step, okay? Now, after you mix that in, add your romaine lettuce. Now, we have our onions in there, we have our cherry tomatoes, we have our pasta, and we hit it with some more of that dressing. Once the romaine lettuce is added to the pasta, go ahead and toss that salad. Get your mind out the gutter. Go ahead and toss that salad. We want to make sure that we get the dressing on all parts of this amazing pasta salad. So go ahead and toss it just like that. Now, we want to add some more dressing. Remember, you can add as much or as little as you please. It's totally up to you how much you want to add. Now, I'm going to grab a serving tray. Well, actually, that's more like a serving bowl, so that's what we're going to go with. I'm going to transfer my pasta salad to that serving bowl, but we're not finished yet. We still have a few more ingredients to add, and then we can taste test, and it's going to be amazing, okay? Now, croutons. I'm adding some seasoned croutons to my pasta salad. We know where the Great Value brand is from, and guess what? It was pretty good. The seasoned croutons were a 10 out of 10. Now, I am adding some shaved Parmesan Romano cheese to this pasta salad. You can add whatever cheese you like, but just add some cheese, okay? Now, lightly toss the cheese inside of that pasta salad. Don't make a mess, just, toss it in there lightly, just like that. Now, we cannot forget the main ingredient, the shrimp, because this is a shrimp Caesar pasta salad. Remember? So listen, go ahead and add that shrimp, and look, that just look amazing. And then we add that crispy bacon. We put that in the air fryer so it can get nice and crispy. We're gonna crunch that bacon right over all of the ingredients for this amazing shrimp Caesar pasta salad. Now, folks, that's what you call a pasta salad. More importantly, a shrimp Caesar pasta salad. Look at that shrimp, that bacon, everything looks really good, and it was so easy to make. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Now, you can put this in the fridge overnight for better results, but for me, I wasn't waiting. I wanted to dig in right away. If you made it this far in a recipe video with me, go ahead and put a lettuce and a shrimp emoji in the comments, and I'll be sure to like it and give it a heart. This thing was amazing. I ended up taking a whole bowl with me. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Be safe out there. This is Isotwan.